ASTER USDT is on the chart again. That means today we are going to do a technical analysis about it to see what opportunities are laying ahead. Can we expect more upside from it, or can we expect more downside on ASTER? Today I will be discussing those opportunities by sketching in an unprospective bias and just looking at price action to see where price could be heading next. I am a trader, so I want to sketch opportunities that are interesting for me to take either longs or shorts. I don't care about the project itself. All I know is that this project is really good to trade. So still looking at our higher time frame trend, we are still bullish. We have made the higher high and our order flow is still that higher low for another higher high. In the last video about Aster, I pointed out when this point of interest can give us a reaction, we can look for upside towards all of this liquidity. That's exactly what happened, and we also got an amazing trade with it. So let's start breaking down what our current opportunities are, because we have made a higher time frame range on Aster. When we look at the 4 hour, when you are trending up, you want to draw your range from high all the way towards low. And your range is confirmed when you touch the EQ of your swing move, your swing high and your swing low. When you take out one side of the liquidity, in this case the swing low, there could be opportunities ahead. This means market makers could be filling up orders here to start pushing Aster up again. This would also align with our higher time frame expected order flow and a really strong zone we're holding. Remember last video? This is your last pullback that brought you towards all-time highs. So the buyers that stepped in here to push price towards all-time highs, if price comes back here, are they willing to defend their positions and push price up again? That's what we are seeing here, and that's what we're also going to be expecting and looking for because of this deviation at the low. What I like about this chart in a bullish perspective is that we have three equal highs open. This indicates this is not a macro top. We are going to return to all-time highs on Aster. It's just a question when. If we take a closer look at a bit of a more lower time frame, we can see this is a potential third tap of our liquidity schematic. I personally do not like it because it's so close to each other, and this could just be one deviation of the market. But if this is going to be respected as the third tap, we want to continue trading this trend. We're making higher highs and we can expect nothing less than higher lows for new higher highs. Most likely to trade towards this liquidity here and this supply zone. But what I want to see on the local time frame here is price trending down like this and then get your order flow switch. You want to see that change of character before taking any trades. Then you can expect the higher low for new higher highs to follow. The market needs to show us that there is going to be strength from this zone. That's why I don't preset high time frame pivot points. I always look at them locally. So if that zone does fill, then I will be looking at another deviation at the range low. If we do not get any strength from this point of interest, I want to be waiting for price to take out the range low once again and then get the same thing like I've just discussed over here. You want to get that order flow switch for an order to keep trading up. This scenario is the case. If that will happen, we'll keep on building this liquidity on the highs. Then you have an amazing potential setup to trade towards new all-time highs and the $2.5 on Aster. I would not be looking for shorts because we have sign of an accumulation at the bottom. So if this accumulation does actually play out, let's start to sketch in some targets. So for these targets, I'm going to be looking at $2.9, 2.75, and $2.6. And of course, the range high in of itself, because an accumulation can overflow into a distribution. The same thing we're doing at the bottom could happen at the highs. Always keep that in mind. The technical target of an accumulation is the opposite side of the range. This zone managed to fail on Aster, then I am expecting us to trade towards more of these liquidity points and possibly even go all the way towards the 1.28. So if we keep that 1.6, we can keep trading up. If not, I'm looking for that 1.28 to get a reaction from. This is also going to be the analysis on ASTER. This is my ASTER crypto price prediction. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. And if you are interested in consistent updates about ASTER and any other crypto coins, then make sure to join the Discord in the description. I'll see you there. Peace.